You know, you can actually increase your income without increasing your pause. Do you know that you can make more money within a little space? This video I want to talk about integrated fish farming. And integrated fish farming has to do with producing fish and at the same time other agricultural activities. In that, the waste of the fish support one aspect, and that aspect in return also support the fish. That's what we are talking about. And you can have that done in several ways. First thing, you can have fish and crop production. This method, the waste of the fish, that the fish water, which has high fertilizer, let me say high organic fertilizer, which is good for the crops. You can use that to irrigate or to water or however that you're going to use to apply it to the crops. The crops will grow very well, and the products of the crops can also be used to make feed for the fish. Also, you can produce fish poultry. That is, you produce fish and poultry in the same place. Remember asking others, why is this possible? Because fish live in water and poultry don't live in water. How? What you can do is that you can have the poultry house or the troop under, constructed above the pond. So the fish pond will be under, then the poultry troop or the poultry house will be on it. So as they defecate, their feces will fall into the pond and it will make plankton to grow, algae to grow, and that will serve as supplementary feed for the fish. Now, we also have fish and duck production, where you allow duck to be swimming in the pond of the fish. And as they defecate, it also serves as fertilizer for plankton to grow, to serve as growth for the fish. So in this system, at the end of the day, you harvest your fish, you also get your crop or your poultry or your duck or whatever that you decide to integrate it with. You get both of them. It means you make more money with little space. And that brings us to the advantage of integrated fish farming. More money, you make more money. You sell fish, you sell any other agricultural thing. Produce in the same place, make more money. Your cost is low because each serve or each benefits the other and serving food as to or to other. And that means that even though you can not say that enough, you will not get other source of feed. You get other source of feed, but that will reduce the amount of feed that you get for other sources, and that will cut down the cost of production. Now, another important thing is that it is environmental friendly. Instead of discharging the wastewater from the fish to the environment, which is smelling or sometimes moves into our natural water bodies to contaminate or kill other aquatic organisms there, this is used to water crops or to use for other important things. So environmentally, it is friendly. But that's not to say that this does also have limitations or disadvantages. There are several. And first thing is disease transmission.